Yeah, you can take them along if you want. I'm experimenting with it.
Poor little tree rat. We got snow today. It's supposed to be spring. I think he's expressing his opinion, what he thinks about our springtime. He's very, very shy. This poor Robin found one place that didn't have snow falling on him. I'm sure he's cold. Today is March 24th, 2016. And it's supposed to be spring. And see, I knew it. It's just crazy. So all the birds are at the bird feeder because they can't find food anywhere else, so they go for the freebies. It's been like this all day. The birds are very busy because this is easy pickings for them.